Good morning, guys. Hello. We're gonna start in 8 minutes. Get some questions, tickers in, and then yes, we will start very shortly. All right. See you all soon. Good morning, everybody. Hello. We're gonna start in 6 minutes. Let's get a question ticker in, and I'll get to them very shortly. All right. Good morning, guys. To those who joined, 4 minutes till we start. Let's get the questions tickers. I'll answer them when we start in 4 minutes at past. See you then. 1 minute till we start. 1 minute. Let's get the questions and tickets in. Wake up. It's Monday. It's time to make money. It's time to make money. Come on, come on, come on. Wake up. See you all in 1 minute. Alright, what up everybody? Hello, hello, hello. What is going on? Happy Monday. Today is going to be another great day. Today is going to be another great day. Let me just catch up on some posts here. Got all of them. Cool. Hello, what up Jeff? Did I see jobby news? Nope. I don't look at any news on any stocks, ever. Unless it's something significant that someone in the Discord mentions or something. But yeah, for me, nothing. I don't look at the news. I don't base my entries off news unless I'm holding it long term or yeah, someone's asked to look at the news. But yeah, no, I don't know what the news is. There's no news that I see here. Yeah, so nothing at the moment. I don't know what it is. But if it's great news, fantastic. You have room to 1028 is your next resistance level. Good morning, IPDN. Entry stop loss. You can choose whatever entry stop loss you would like. Up to you. You are in control of your account. I recommend to have 5% stop loss, 5% target. That's something simple and easy to use. This needs to hold $4, this IPDN. Yeah, IPDN needs to hold $4. So Jeff, the reason why I say that about the news is because I'm a day trader, right? Just to give you a little breakdown of day traders, well, majority of day traders or day traders that I know, we don't care about the news. The news gives us the volume. News is more for fundamental analysis. That's for long-term traders or swing traders when they like to buy the stock based on news or whatever's coming, any catalyst. For us, this news, all these top gainers that we're trading here in the blue, you can see these all have news. Majority of them do have news, or they're former runners or technical breakout of some sort. These are the plays that I trade. Based on the news, we'll give it the volume. The volume is what I trade on. I need volume for technicals. So that's how I trade. That is how I trade. Good morning, IPDN. Yeah, IPDN up to you, whatever you want to do. Have 5% stop loss, 5% target, something smart to do. I would wait for VWAP personally, which is around 460. We buy entries. What are my thoughts on BMNR? BMNR. Let's like up the stream, guys. Come on, it's free. BMNR entries above 769. I wouldn't enter now. I like to wait when there's an uptrend. So personally, would wait for, yeah, this 769. So BMNR entries are only above 769. If it's below 769, you cannot enter the trade. We buy entries. We buy entries. Let's put a VWAP. Wait for a close above VWAP on this play. It's in a falling wedge demand zone. Expect this to break out. Make sure to have a stop loss and target. I personally wouldn't buy now, right below VWAP. It is higher risk, but up to you what you decide. Rebuy. Still in falling wedge. It's still in the mighty falling wedge. Lucid. What's happening with Lucid? Lucid. View up off. Lucid, your entry is only above 228. If it's below 228, which it is, it's at $2.14, then you cannot take the trade. All right. That's it. So lucid entries are only above 228. The simple fact and the simple reasoning is there is no uptrend on this. It's actually just ranging. If anything, it's in a downtrend like this, which indicates that sellers are in control. You do not want to buy something when sellers are in control. Why? Because it means when sellers are in control, there's a higher probability of what? The stock going down. You want the buyers in control because that shows that there's a higher probability of stock going up. You see? You see. Guys, I've written GBS about 100 times. You need it to break 0.1660. If it's below it, don't enter. All right, if you want to enter below it, go ahead, but that is not something that I would look for. GNS, yeah, GNS looks good. I like it. It's above VWAP, expecting to push up. A lot of talk. Everyone's pretty much buying it. So yeah, high probability to go up today. Lucid, whatever Lucid. Okay. ONDS. ONDS is... Wait for 204 break to look for entries. Then you have, I think, 225. Yeah, 225 and 250. 225. 2.5. Yeah, this is your level. So ONDS entries above 204. It doesn't snow above 204, just leave it, all right? It's getting close. It's broken this high of day or pre-market high or after hour high, whatever it is. Looks good. Breaks this high here with this wick fill, should push to the upside, all right? That's ONDS. Jibo. Let's get the questions and tickets in, guys. Push the gas. Push the gas. Jibo, look at the chart yourself. You tell me what you think. Jibo, extremely bearish. Sellers are in control. Nothing on this. Yes, of course it will reverse at some point. I don't know when, but for me right now, chart is no good. AMC. Why is someone asking about AMC? Entries only above 362. Don't try and enter now. Not good. Not good. What is this play doing? This is a... So this is a very choppy play. Look, daily time frame. It's kind of weird. 4 hour. So you see how you have all these resistance levels. Like here's one. Sorry, like here. Then you have here. And then you have here. For me, I only like this if it was to get above this level here, which is around 26.15. So maybe above 26.15 looks good for entries. But right now, there's too many resistance points for you to enter something where there's a high probability you'll keep rejecting. So U is no good right now. U wait for break above 26.15. If you guys have any questions about my charts, any colors, what they mean, anything about the Discord, anything about what's the difference, all those things, probably on Wednesday or Thursday, we'll see. I will be going over the Discord. I'm going to be doing it live on here so people can see what's in the Discord. I do get asked about it every day, so for me to go over it on here, for those who are wanting to join, you are more than welcome to. I will be going over it so you can see what's inside and all those things, and what you can expect in there and what the difference is and all those great things, right? These are your levels here. Needs this 0.7. So Kappa entries only above 0.7. Also, I see everybody's questions in the chat. Please don't spam it. I can see it, trust me. I'm just going through everyone at once. All right, so just bear with me. Please. Right, let me just repost this link so we can get more people in here. I know a lot of people are still sleeping, but they should be up. There's no time to sleep. There is no time to sleep. If you want to make money, this is prime time right now. Okay, I see, thanks. Jibo Holdings, yeah, whenever this one, not good. HSDT, this one was like breaking, I think. Yeah, HSDT, another one, not good at all. Nothing on this, absolutely nothing on this. Just leave this one. Leave this. I don't know. HSDT is terrible. Circle. Circles, looks like it's heading into this demand zone here. Last red candle before the move to the upside. So we can use this whole range like this just to make it easy and clear for ourselves. Personally, would wait for entries around here for swing entries or long-term entries. This is $180. So we can say heading into demand zone, draw the trend like this. There you go. So we have circle heading into demand zone. Entries around here would be good. Buy a step in around this level. That's what it is. I see. Thanks. No problem. SOUN swing still okay. Nope. I wouldn't be in the swing for SOUN. I say it every day and I'll say it again. And please listen up. You should not be buying a stock here because what is happening at 1040? Let's look left together. I will hold your hand through this process as you should listen and look. What is happening every time we get here? Bang, down, 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 down. So why, right? Just think about this now. You don't have to be a trader. You don't have to be anything. All you have to know is that what have you seen happen previous at this 1040? As I've just shown you, every time you see it at 1040, it keeps going down. So buying now is not a good idea because what is going to happen here? There's a high probability it will go down. There's probably a 70% chance of it going down. If you want to lose in the trade and have a 70 or 30% chance of winning, a lower chance of winning, then you can enter the trade. But for me, I like to play high probabilities. I like to enter when I know my emotions are going to be okay, when I know there's a higher probability of the stock going up. So all I will do is wait for 1040. If it gets above 1040, I know there's clean range all the way up to 1160. Clear? Cool. So yes, I would not be in this play right now. How do you create a watch list with volume? All I do, I use the top gainers. That's it. You can use this link right here. It's free. It's Weeble. You can use it. UBTS. UBTS is in a downtrend. This is a due reversal at some point, possibly a falling wedge even. I need this to find some area of support. Yeah, right now, nothing exciting going on. So UBTS, possible falling wedge. For me, it's a little too bearish. I would wait for like this level to break. You see this resistance here? See this? A lot of rejection here. Maybe 1441 above there. You could look for entries. Right? Don't try and enter now. In my opinion, it's just high risk. What do you think about ECDA? Will it go up if you have any clues? Any clues? That is not any clues, is not any the right terminology, my friend. You're looking for entries, your entries are above 0.38. Your clue is not to be in the trade. 0.3800 is your entry point. Above that is good. Anything below, can't help you. I don't know what's going to happen. RGC. What is happening with RGC? So RGC is still in the falling wedge and psychological level. Looks alright. Needs to hold $15. Still bullish. Must hold $15. If it breaks below $15, it is no longer bullish. Well, bullish reversal. So it's not actually a bullish chart. Like the trend is not bullish, but it's setting up for a bullish breakout due to this trend line, due to this falling wedge. VULT. I don't know anything about it. Volt. What is this stuff? Volt. PLC. Volt. PLC. What is this name? Ticker name. Don't know anything about Volt. I can't find this. Probably some crypto shit. BBAI. BBAI. 1 second. Trying to look for something. Where is this thing? Bear with me, guys. I'm trying to look for something. Alright, I sorted it. Yeah, BBI looks good. I like this for today. It looks great. It's breaking all these levels. 641, very, very nice on BBAI. I will update the levels soon, but this is looking great. Very nice setup. I'm very bullish on this play. Probably going to trade this again today, as I do. I trade this pretty much every day last week, I think. So yeah, looking great. So let me just update the levels. 625 is no longer valid. 685 will be your next level. So here we go. BBAI pushing into open. Looks very bullish, looks good. Broke its high, previous hour high here. Broke above $6 psych. Everything looked fantastic on this play. What else do we have on here? HCTI. HCTI, this thing's 2 cents. This is a bag holder stock. I would avoid this. Leave it alone. It's trash. Leave it. Sell it. Take your loss like a man. Rip the band-aid off. Rip it. XCUR, nothing on this, to be honest. Obviously, there's just news run up on it. Yeah, nothing for me on it. Just let it run and do its thing. Wait to open and see if it can actually hold its gains. But at the moment, nothing. But I see the volume pop. Yeah, GNS looks great. It's above VWAP. This is your key levels. It's breaking out a falling wedge, pushing to the upside. Looks good, looks good, looks good, looks good, looks good, looks good. Where is this chart that I put? GNS is back over VWAP, looking very nice. LIDR, LIDR. LIDR, we'll add this to the watch list. Wouldn't be buying it now. I would wait for the high break. So whatever this candle rejection or this level here, 132 is what I would watch. Right now, I would not be buying it. Don't know what's happening around this level. Because I know if it breaks the high there, there's a high probability to go up. So you have LIDR needs 132 break. That's what I would wait for, 132. Anything below, I'm not too sure what to do with that. Okay. BMNR, this one wasn't doing anything when I saw it last. Yeah, nothing less than 69. Posted earlier. I see all the questions, just bear with me, alright guys? Keep them coming in. Keep the questions coming in. Market is not closed on Thursday, it's closed on Friday, my friend, July 4th. How can I get the same chart using what time period in the chart tracking? Here, 5-minute time frame. Bottom and top 5 minutes. You can use Webull. This is Webull Desktop Broker. Users made 35% on Xco. Wow, very nice. Yes, sir. Sun clear. Cool, perfect. IPDN. Breaking below here. This is no longer valid. All I would do is just draw a downtrend like this. Big sell-off on this. Probably will reverse later, but at the moment, no need to get in this. Below VWAP, so high probability to go up, to go down. Hood is crazy bullish. This is very nice. Right now you have the highs here, which is this 84.78. That means 77. You can use this level. Yeah, I mean it's just, this is more of a longer term play, right? Breaks above here can take some entries. Obviously the overall trend daily is very bullish. There is no sign of a reversal yet. We need some strong top wicks at on this daily would be great for a pullback, but I would wait for pullbacks on the trend line. So hood, look for pullback to trend line. All right, gets the trend line, then I would say look for entries. But right now it's just at the highest points. Can't really tell you too much. Other than if it breaks that high, then yeah, possibly we should push up. Vero's getting absolutely smacked. Yeah, I'm just going to remove it off my watch list for now. There's nothing unfortunately going on. I don't know what's going on. It pretty much died. QUBT, what's happening with this? QUBT still downtrend, falling wedge. Yeah, this is still in the bullish setup. Expected this to break out. So QUBT, bullish chart. This is a bullish chart because you have a falling wedge and a demand zone. GVH. Your entries are only above certain level. GVH, you're only entering above 0.1660. Save it, screenshot it, set as your wallpaper so you understand and know what you need to do. Cisco, this has 0 volume. Obviously, it's at the highest point right now. Difficult to trade something when it's so high like this. Possible bull flag. See what we can do with this chart. Yeah, possible bull flag. I mean, it's not really a clear one, but this is my bull flag, the Tiger Line trading bull flag. Cisco bull flag. GVH, SYTA. This one was weird. SYTA. This one popped and then dropped. Is it back up or no? Yeah, SYTA, your entry can take about 278. Entries only above 278. Below 278, just leave it, right? No good, no good, no good. SYTA, ONDS. I went over ONDS already. Please listen so I don't have to repeat myself. Your entry is only above 204. Looks like it's pushing up, looks great. Keep it on watch. ARTL, entries only above 2038. If you want to enter now, feel free to. I would not touch it right now. TMC, gonna watch this one today, see if we can actually respect technicals. Holding this bullish pennant-ish. Big level here because this is an area of support and demand zone. So this is TMC needs to hold this support level. Support level is this bottom line. This is your support line. This is your resistance line. So whenever it gets here, usually rejects support, then should push up. Goodbye, Mr. Hussein. You have now been banned. Bye bye. INLF. INLF, there's nothing going on with this play. Kind of a downtrend. Yeah, nothing really on this. Needs volume, hasn't really got any volume. If you spam, I just block you. I don't care what you have to ask or what you need, but it's rude, disrespectful. I've seen your message. You can see other people are waiting, so you must be waiting too. But for your spamming, you are now timed up. We will see you tomorrow. Goodbye. 5 minutes. This one, SMPX, has no volume. Not too sure what you're watching on this. Nothing on this. We have this to here. I mean, it's in an uptrend. Maybe you can look for buys here. You see? Still in a bullish trend. So if it holds its trend, then it's good. But at the moment, you need volume for this, all right? Coin. Coin is bullish, but it needs to hold. You're in a demand zone right now with this coin. See this? Possible reversal here. But this does also depend on larger time frame. I mean the larger market. Large caps. Try and make it a bullish pennant if I can, like this. Not really a clean one, but try and make everything as bullish as I can. So you have here demand zone, like this. There you go. Coin bullish pennant. Bullish pennant. PLTR. PLTR daily is not looking good. It's in a rising wedge, so not very good. Obviously, it's bouncing here. Yeah, it's just difficult to trade something like this right now. Obviously, it was down 9%. You do have a demand zone here, but you have a lot of them, which is difficult to trade. For me, I don't know, to trade something like this, it's pretty difficult. You're going to expect to try and get a reverse, but it can also come down. So it's like this whole range here is like a no trade. I don't know. I don't know what to do here. It's not really my setup. It's more of a larger time frame setup. But daily time frame, it needs to hold. Yeah, daily time frame needs to hold this. But obviously we can see on the daily that it has pushed off this level because we cannot see 130. It's actually at 136. So it's actually here, 136. Something like it's around here, so it is trying to reverse off this level. So basically just needs to hold this trend line. Needs to hold trend line. I think Tesla, oh no, Tesla's still down. Tesla was trying to go green but didn't end up going. HCAI, someone asked me about this earlier, there wasn't anything going on. Yeah, HCAI, I don't see anything on it, unfortunately. Sorry, this is not my kind of play. There's nothing going on it. MNTS is reversing yet? No, nothing on MNTS. MNTS you could try above the highs, 240. 240, 240, 240, 240. ALLR. ALLR has zero volume, very difficult to trade something like this. Maybe if it holds $1 into open, looks good, but it's a bit of a difficult trade in my opinion. You need to hold $1. So $1 is right here. Like this, there to there. So you have $1 there. Yeah, it just needs to hold $1, but at the moment it's not really my kind of trade setup. I need something that has volume. Needs to hold $1. $1 is just a psychological level. TSLL. TSLL. You can take entries above here on TSLL. 1276. I mean, you have a major support level around here, 1160. Let's put 1150. Better psychological level. Yeah, right now it's just kind of ranging. Well, it's actually in a downtrend. Not really too interested in something like this. As long as it holds this 1150, you're fine. Needs to hold 1150. GNS. Yeah, GNS pushing up. People, I don't know. I'm in it, so I don't care. RKLB. Yeah, RKLB broke out of this bullish pennant. Maybe we have another one here forming. Let's see. This is a different time frame. See this 1 hour bullish pennant, and then yeah, right now it's just, I mean, it's like trading and you need to wait for this level here. You're too close to a resistance to buy. But looks good. What's the best play right now? I have no idea. These are all the top gainers. These are the high probability plays. IPDN. ARTL, nothing on that. WeBuy is looking good. WeBuy looks good. BMNR. Going nuts. Nice. Yeah, so entries were above here at 769. Don't know if anyone caught it. Finally, it broke the level. Took about 20 years, but did the level. It did what needed to be done. Don't know if anyone did get in. Talked about it earlier. Yeah. Call this on YouTube. Right, gonna go through a couple more plays here, and then I'm gonna head into Discord, start live trading for everybody. This looks good though. Keep this one on your watch list. Nice volume now. Right for being GVH. GVH, please get over 0.1660. That's it. 0.1660. IREN. This is a Bitcoin play. This just depends on whatever Bitcoin's doing. Looks great. Let me update the levels. 16.25. There you go. These are your levels for IREN. Very nice chart, very bullish. Broke out of this. Very nice breakout of an ascending triangle. Don't know if anyone did grab this for swing or longer term, but very well done to you. Kind of like this setup actually. There you go. I need to put this on setup examples. There you go. GNS. Where is my members? Some of my Discord members are very smart. Some of my other Discord members are not smart. Lays, your entry's only above 450. Anything below? Don't know. BMR, nice, well done. T-Doc's looking good, broke that high. Now you have this next level here. 1 hour's coming downtrend. Yeah, I would wait for 8.91 or even $9. You're just kind of trending in this weird zone right here. Hims is looking good. These are your next key levels over here. Perfect reversal of that $40. Some people caught it, some people didn't. OST, there's absolutely nothing on this. This is something you should delete off your watch list and never stare at it ever again. All right. Okay, guys, I'm going to head into Discord now. If you want to join, you can join here. Live trading link will start in 20 minutes. I will see you all there. Have a fantastic day, and I'll catch you tomorrow.